Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Wednesday, April 12th. It is the 102nd day of the year. There are 263 days left. Happy National Licorice Day.
National Licorice Day on April 12th each year celebrates licorice in all its forms. It also recognizes its history, health benefits, and distinction around the world. You won't be limited when it comes to licorice either. There are plenty of licorice candies, licorice ropes, jelly beans, jewels, and many others to enjoy. Of course, the designation has evolved as people savor all types and flavors of licorice to celebrate the day. If you're a fan of black licorice and have noticed it makes your tummy feel better, there's a reason. Licorice root can soothe the stomach bothered by heartburn or gastritis. The acid in licorice contains immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to restore balance to the stomach lining. That is definitely something worth celebrating. Grab a few black jelly beans from the candy jar for this holiday. Licorice International, in coordination with the National Confectioners Association, designated April 12th as National Licorice Day in 2004. The company offers nearly 100 types of licorice from all over the world. Today is also International Day of Human Space Flight, National Big Wind Day, National Only Child Day, and Walk on Your Wild Side Day.
All right, National Dayers, today we're going to make a licorice spider. Gather the following ingredients. You'll need an Oreo, peanut butter, plain M&Ms, and licorice strings. All right, here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to separate the licorice into strands. And then you want to cut 4 strands to be about 4 to 5 inches long. Then take your cookie and spread peanut butter in a strip on the cookie and glue the licorice into the peanut butter. This is going to make 8 legs like an arachnid, which is a spider. On top of the cookie, so flip it over, you're going to spread just a little bit of peanut butter on the edge to glue down 2 plain M&Ms to serve as spider eyes. And there you go, my friends, a super delicious, kinda spooky, yummy licorice treat, spider cookies. Well done.
All right, National Dayers. Our little licorice spider is adorable. I do have to tell you, I had a really hard time finding this licorice. I went to 4 different stores. So don't give up, always persevere, and eat some licorice. Keep smiling, have a wonderful Wednesday, and we will see you right back here tomorrow. Bye.
It's time for super spectacular shoutouts. Shoutouts today start us off with Ms. Piopa and everyone in the 6th through 8th grade special education program at Century Middle School in Lakeville, Minnesota. Next up is Mrs. Jeanette, Ms. Sabrina, Ms. Charisse, Ms. Susanna, and Ms. Shanasia, and everyone in the Functional Academic and Life Skills class at Children's Learning Center in Roosevelt, New York. And our third shout out today goes out to Ms. G, Ms. Charity, Mr. Rob, Ms. Karen, and Mrs. Rich, and everyone in the LEAP 5th through 8th grade program at Walker Upper Elementary School in Charlottesville, Virginia. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. I hope you loved your shout out. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shout out, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated super spectacular shout out map.